What's up guys, TNA Trading here, and welcome back to another video. Today we've got another 12 pack opening of the Select Footy Stars from 2020. So yeah, we'll just get straight into it. So the odds are on the back, obviously aiming for anything probably above a firework die cut would be unbelievable, but we'll take anything. Off camera, unbelievably, we actually packed this Connor Rosie showstopper from 4 packs out of a servo, and it is definitely an unbelievable pull. Great card, probably our best pull of the year. Out of 4 select Footy Stars 2020 packs, managed to pack this, was absolutely ecstatic. So there you go. So we'll see if we can carry on the luck, but it's going to be pretty hard to follow. So here we go, we'll get going. Not gonna lie, I have had trouble opening these Footy Stars packs. I might go the scissors this pack opening, because I've been opening a lot of packs and the fingers are getting a bit sore. So I think we'll go the scissors for this pack opening. So let's get going. There we go. Rising star from last year, Burst, Samuel Walsh, Matt DeBoer, puzzle card. Move these back a bit. Second pack. Jed Anderson, contested beast from the Rose. Oscar Allen, Jigsaw. Third pack. Tom Phillips from the Pies. Burst. Harry Taylor from the Cats. Jigsaw. First die cut for the pack opening. Lockie Hunter from the Doggies. Tom Papley from the Swans. There we go, first milestone. Ed Kerno from the Blues. Brandon Matera from the Dockers. We'll sleeve this one up. There we go. AFL set to be back on the 11th of June, so very excited about that. Get everything back underway. Another contested beast, Hewitt. Aaron Francis Jigsaw. So hoping everything goes smoothly up to then, and that'll be successful with the expected date. I have been missing footy a lot, so definitely excited to see it coming back. Riley O'Brien from the Crows and Dean Kent from the Saints. 5th last pack. Charlie Kerner, well, second die cut. Nice one for the Blues there. Jordan Rufford, Jigsaw. Footy Stars. 4th last pack of the opening. Well done there, I haven't even used the good old scissors. Come on. What do we have here? Connor McKenna from the Bombers, Burst, Mitch McGovern Jigsaw. Got about 4 more cards to finish the Jigsaw set. So just trying to grab the last few, and then might do a video on the entire set. We'll lay it out for you to show you how it looks. Hugh McCluggage from the Lions, Burst, David Ashbury, Jigsaw. Nice. Second last pack. Darcy Tucker, Burst. Zach Bailey from the Lions, Jigsaw. Last pack. Hasn't been too successful as of today, but see if we can get in this last one. Of course, we get the collector's card, the collector's choice. If you want a trip to Disneyland, send these in with 15 packets. You enter the draw. Also, you get monthly prizes, but don't think I'm going to be doing any of that. It's a bit of a hassle. Probably not going to win anything, but all up to you guys. I can give these away if you guys want. Send us a message on Insta. Put our Instagram up on the video now. We put a lot of our listings and stuff like that on, cards we pack and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that stuff, the Insta will be on the screen. Go have a look, give us a follow, send us a message, and yeah, that'd be great. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or anything to say. We love reading through our comments. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next video. Cheers.